Welcome to episode 2 of the Emotional Intelligence series. Today, we will discuss one of the most challenging aspects of relationships, escaping toxic patterns that drain both your emotional and physical well-being. Toxic relationships can be difficult to identify as they often hide behind familiar routines and emotions. However, with emotional intelligence, you can gain the clarity needed to break free and reclaim your life. The first step is to recognize the signs of a toxic relationship. These signs often include constant criticism, manipulation, control, or a lack of respect. These behaviors may be disguised as concern or love, but they are not normal or acceptable. Emotional intelligence helps you see these harmful patterns for what they truly are. Once you recognize the toxicity, it is crucial to confront reality, even though it may be painful. Seeking support from trusted friends, family, or professionals is essential as they can provide the clarity and strength you need to take action. Setting boundaries is also vital, whether it means reducing contact or leaving the relationship entirely. Emotional intelligence guides you in establishing limits that protect your well-being. It is important to remember that it is okay to prioritize yourself. Breaking free from a toxic relationship is challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. Build a support system of people who genuinely care about you and lean on them to help you navigate this difficult time. Finally, leaving a toxic relationship is just the beginning. Emotional intelligence plays a key role in your healing process, helping you rebuild your self-esteem and rediscover your true worth. Take the time to heal, set new goals, and create a life that reflects who you truly are. Thank you for joining us on the Emotional Intelligence series. With the right tools and support, you can break free and start a new, healthier chapter in your life.